I feel the biggest mistake Indian parents do that they treat the adults like kids. I'll tell you one example. Like few days back, I was crossing the road, and like I have a couple of friends, and there is one of my female friends. She's around 28 years old, and when we were crossing the road, she grabbed my hand and she was like, "I need your help." And I was surprised how come a 28 years old woman is panicking while crossing the road. And then I talked about it. Then I got to know there are a lot of people who are, 28, 29, and still they panic when they cross the roads. And the reason behind this is that because their parents never let them go out when they were kids, when they were teens. So they never cross road by themselves. So that's why when they're adult, they're acting like the kid. And I feel the main reason why this happens because in India we have this concept of joint family, right? So parents, grandparents, and children we live together. So what really happens that even though you are grown up, even though you are 30-year-old, you have two kids, still you have to ask permission from your dad. Okay, कि मैं जा रहा हूँ बाहर and I'll come back by 8 o'clock. And which I feel is complete nonsense because you are 30 years old and you have kids and still you have to take permission for all trivial things. Okay, so what do you think? What makes a man man? Experiences, right? The life experiences. So when you take permission from your parents all the time, it limits your life experiences. So you never evolve as a man. Instead, even though you are grown up, you act like the kid. So imagine a country where billions of adults acting like kids. That would be worst pandemic of all.